Good morning, everybody. This is David Varon with another episode of Percussion Beginnings. So today we're going to be building on top of what we just talked about with 16th notes, and now we're going to be putting accents on each subdivision. So we have the one, the E, the and the So first, let's just reestablish 16th notes. We have to make sure that we're getting a good sound with our volume and good sound with our spacing. That's what it's all about. And then after that, we have to establish that our accents that we'll be primarily working with will be 12 inches. 12 inches with an accent and 3 inches with a tap. And also, finally, we will be doing downstrokes for our accents. No upstrokes, no legato strokes, all downstrokes. So that's how it's going to be looking, and we're going to be breaking this down right now. So first and foremost, what you want to make sure is that you're focusing not on the accent, you are focusing on the taps, because typically the accents will take care of themselves as far as sound, but you have to make sure that you're keeping your taps the same. So first, let's separate it with one E and A. That's going to be with your right hand on the downbeat. So make sure you see that. Now after that, you're going to be putting your left hand on the E, your right hand on the and then the left hand again on the So first off, what you want to do is separate it. So say one E and do that 4 times. Then you're going to be doing the 2 E and with your left hand. Separate that. Then you have the and on the right hand, 1 E and or 3 E and then finally 4 E and on the left hand. So just establish that physically. Now next, after that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do 4 in a row on each one, then take a rest for 4 beats. So here comes your 4-beat rest, and then you're going to repeat it again. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Now after that, you're going to be going to your left hand and doing the E. 1 E and 2 E and So let's go ahead and do that. E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and you're going to be doing your 4 beats of rest again, and then you're going to repeat it. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Now after that, you're going to shift it to the and, back on the right hand. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 4 beats of rest, 2, ready, and go. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Then you're going to switch it finally back to the left hand for the 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Make sure you're keeping your technique the exact same, no arm, all rest. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and So again, 12 inches with the accents, 3 inches with the taps. Now, finally, you're going to want to be doing them 4 times with no break in between. So you see that I went straight from the 1 to the E. Here comes the and, 4 times all. And then here comes the 4 times each. And this is going to help you just with your overall understanding. Now, the next thing you want to do after you get that taken care of is you're going to want to do differences in your stick heights with your accents. So as always, you want to start off with 6-inch accents while you're keeping everything at 3 inches with your taps. Then after that, do 9-inch accents while still keeping everything with 3-inch taps. Your taps do not move, only your accents do, and this is all with your stick control. So I hope this helps. And if you work on this, you should definitely be able to play more effectively with other snare drummers and have a better drum line. So until next time, happy practicing.